Hello everyone, this is Mrs. C.S. Nirali, Assistant Professor from Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, Kekewa College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nashik. Under course number FCN 112, course title Biochemistry, today we will see regarding experiment number 13, title Quantitative Determination of Lipids by using Soxhlet apparatus. A Soxhlet extractor. It is a piece of laboratory apparatus invented in 1879 by Franz von Soxhlet. It was originally designed for the extraction of lipid from a solid material. Typically, a Soxhlet extraction is used when the desired compound has a limited solubility in a solvent and the impurity is insoluble in that solvent. It allows for unmonitored and unmanaged operation while efficiently recycling a small amount of solvent to dissolve a larger amount of material. A Soxhlet extractor will be having three main sections. First one, a percolator, that is boiler and reflux, which circulates the solvent. The second component is a thimble, usually made up of thick filter paper, which retains the solid to be laved. And the third component is a siphon mechanism, which periodically cools the thimble. Coming to assembly, the source material containing the compound to be extracted is placed inside the thimble. The thimble is loaded into the main chamber of the Soxhlet extractor. The extraction solvent to be used is placed in a distillation flask. The flask is placed on the heating element. The Soxhlet extractor is placed atop the flask. A reflux condenser is placed atop the extractor. Coming to operation, the solvent is heated to reflux. The solvent vapor travels up to a distillation arm and floods into the chamber housing the thimble of solid. The condenser ensures that any solvent vapor cools and drips back down into the chamber housing the solid material. The chamber containing the solid material slowly fills with the warm solvent. Some of the desired compound dissolves into the warm solvent. When the Soxhlet chamber is almost full, the chamber is emptied by the siphon. The solvent is returned to the distillation flask. Coming to result, the thimble ensures that the rapid motion of the solvent does not transport any solid material to the still pot. This cycle may be allowed to repeat many times over hours or days even. During each cycle, a portion of the non-volatile compound dissolves in the solvent. After many cycles, the desired compound is concentrated in the distillation flask. The advantage of this system is that instead of many portions of warm solvent being passed through the sample, just one batch of solvent is recycled. After extraction, the solvent is removed, typically by means of a rotary evaporator, yielding the extracted compound. The non-soluble portion of the extracted solid remains in the thimble and is usually discarded, or it can be used for further estimation of crude fiber, because crude fiber requires defatinated sample. Thanks a lot for your patience listening. That is regarding Soxhlet apparatus and its working.